Hello everyone, I hope you're doing good. Welcome back to Kai Academy. My name is Sevinch, and if you guys are new here, please subscribe. Before we start, let me tell you about myself a bit. I prepare these tutorials on digital board each day, and I try to focus on new content with each video. If you have any problems or questions, just write them in the comments below. I regularly check them and I'll answer them back, or maybe make a video to answer your question or solve your problem. If you have any mobile apps or websites for me to check, just share that in the comments below and I'll be glad to review. My channel is growing now with your support, and thanks for that. And for sponsorships, you could contact me via email you'll see below. And now let's get started. Today I'm going to talk about an app called Evernote. I think you've heard about it. Evernote is a notes organizer and planner, and as far as I know, it's very popular. And yeah, so many people use that app, and you can see that on the screen. It has 4.3 stars out of 5, and as you can see here, if you're above 4 years old, you can use this app. The developer is Evernote, and it is compatible with iPhone, iPad, iPod Touch, and Android as well. And it is free to use, but there are in-app purchases as well. And it helps you focus on what matters most and have access to your information when you need it. And you can just see the preview here. So with the help of this app, you can organize your life, and this is what looks like, what this app looks like, and you can understand from here. And we'll just go to the app after explaining the app. You can scan documents, you can annotate documents as well. Also, you can search your handwriting. You can see the handwriting here. And you can clip web articles. And the other thing, the other feature, just you can save time with templates. So you can just input type notes or second handwritten notes and add to-dos, photos, images, web pages, or audio, and it's all instantly searchable. You can organize notes any way you want and share with anyone, and Evernote syncs across your devices, so your information is always with you everywhere you go. And Evernote gives you the tools you need to keep your work effortlessly organized, and you can write, collect, and capture ideas as searchable notes, notebooks, checklists, and to-do lists. And you can create notes in a variety of formats, including text, sketches, photos, screenshots, and more. And you can use the camera to effortlessly scan, digitize, organize your paper, documents, business cards, whiteboards, handwritten notes, and drawings. And you can use Evernote as a digital notepad and easy to format word processor for all of your tools as they come. And Evernote gives you the ability to sync your content across devices. You can sync everything automatically across any computer, phone, or tablet, and you can start your task working on one device and continue on another without ever missing a beat. And we can go to the app from here. For that, at first you need to go to the App Store, and after that you need to download the app called Evernote, and then you need to tap open, and we are here. As you can see, the design is very simple. So the design is very simple, and you can just see this is the main, just home screen, and you can just tap all notes, and you can see the notes here, Also reminders, if you just set a reminders, you can see that here as well. And if there are any documents that that is just shared with me, you can see it from here. Nothing shared yet, so I can't see any documents here, but if there are some documents shared with me, I can just see it from here. It's very simple to use, and you can just search your notes from there. It has a very simple design, and I think it's you can just take your notes here, and it should be simple, and that's why it's a good app for me. And you can just see your account details, and you can just see the shortcuts here. So just like that. That's very simple, and it's easy to use. And you can add a passcode lock to the mobile app for more privacy. And Evernote gives you the tools to share, discuss, and collaborate productively with others. You can create, share, and discuss with the people who help get your work done all in one app. And you can search within pictures and annotate images to give quick feedback. And you can make personal checklists to keep your thoughts organized. You can set reminders, as I mentioned here, to keep on top of activities and write to-do lists. And you can gather, capture, and store every thought you need to stay productive. And also in business, you can write memos, and you can just craft presentations. You can annotate documents with comments and thoughts during team meetings, and then you can just share it with colleagues. And you can get your projects underway faster and maximize productivity by letting multiple participants access and work on different aspects alongside each other. In education, you can keep up with lecture notes so you don't miss a vital thought. You can clip and highlight articles from the web for academic research, and you can plan and collaborate for better academic group work. And it offers better note interaction with 3D touch, and for example, it offers quicker actions for faster note creation and search. And also you can dictate notes, and they will be transcribed in Evernote. And you can dictate searches and get results on your Apple Watch. You can just view newly created and updated notes. You can set reminders, get notifications, and never forget anything. And there are some Evernote premium features. For example, the ultimate workspace, 10 GB of new uploads each month, unlimited number of devices, and you can access your notes and notebooks offline. You can save emails to Evernote. You can search inside Office docs and attachments, and you can annotate PDFs. You can scan and digitize business cards, and you can show notes as presentations. And when it comes to the pricing, the price may vary by location. For the US, it is $7.99 for a month and $69.99 for a year. And what are the pros and cons of this app? At first, Evernote can be used in multiple devices, and all of the notes written using software synced to one single account, and all the notes are saved in one single place. And Evernote supports various platforms such as Mac, Windows, iOS, and Android. Evernote is not just a single note writing app, and it supports images, drawings, and other attachments as well, so that it helps with complete data gathering for notes. Evernote also supports handwriting, so that if you have a tablet with a pen, you can just write in Evernote as you usually would write on paper. And what are the cons of this app? When searching PDF documents in Evernote, if there is a text file in a scanned format, Evernote could not support it. When attaching pictures to an Evernote file, it takes some time to sync with the cloud. And yeah, I think so many people say about these things as cons of this app. Also, as far as I know, Evernote can just reduce the plan prices. Maybe it could be easier for small organizations to purchase this solution. So it's just like that. What are you thinking about? Are you just using Evernote, or are you planning to use this app? And what are your thoughts on this app? And yeah, I'm ending the video right now. Thanks for watching. The quickest way to support this channel is to click on the subscribe button. Give me a thumbs up if you liked the video, or leave a comment below, and feel free to share with your friends or anyone you think would enjoy this content, and I'll talk to you all very soon. Bye.